Hey, how's it going? So if you guys don't know, my name is David and this is Declination. I'm going to be spending the next 5 years traveling the world. Every week I'm going to post about it right here. Yeah, how was that view? I'm sorry, I'm not that lovely woman. That is my friend Rochelle. She's great. So this last week was Valentine's Day weekend. I got to go to Queenstown, hang out with some of my friends, hang out with my girlfriend. I had a blast. We went on a helicopter ride. We went out, we went shopping, we did all of the things, and it was so much fun. We got a lot of great food, a lot of great drinks. I wish I could show all of it to you, but I'm going to show you some of the highlights and tell you about the rest. So one of the first things we did in town, besides the nice to see you again brunch and espresso martinis, we went out to a couple of thrift stores and went shopping for some going out wear. We had a blast. We were dancing all over town. I wish I recorded more video of that stuff, but it's tough to do it on the spot because I don't think about it and there's other people involved and blah 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 blah. I wish I could have shown you guys. It was really fun. We had a really good time. We went out, we got crazy, we got weird. It was a blast. And then we woke up way too early in the morning to go on this helicopter ride, which was sick. So we went up we flew up to the top of the Remarkables, which is just next to Queenstown. The Remarkables are a mountain range that overlook Queenstown. It was a lot of fun. It was a wild trip. I wish I filmed it better, but I'm sure you can see from some of the clips that we had a good time. So I'm on top of the Remarkables. Just took a helicopter. It's pretty great. Yeah, so after the helicopter ride, we went and visited this place called Town. Most of that day, we chilled out in the park. I edited some videos, some of the last video, some stuff for Facebook, and then we went out. We went out to dinner. Town's a cute little town. It's an old gold mining town. It reminds me of, I said other towns remind me of Grass Valley, but this one specifically, because it's a small gold mining town right next to a little river with some mountains and some trees, it was definitely very homey. It's nice to be somewhere that's so familiar. After the park, we found a place to camp, park our vans, and then went into town again, got some dinner. We had some good burgers. I should have filmed some more of it, but we were just chilling, just a little double date situation, and had a pretty relaxing night. And woke up in the morning, got brunch at this super cute place, and then headed back up here. Wanaka is, as always, beautiful. And yeah, what else is going on? So I found a job. It's a little bit different than my last job. My last job was Kiwi work in general. This is construction. So right now I'm just doing some general labor stuff, and then I'm gonna do some civil stuff, but should be good. It pays a lot better. So that's cool. Finding a job, super easy, especially if you're doing a trade job like construction. So I went through a temp agency. It's called TradeSep. I sent them an email. They said, hey, come in, apply, take the thing. Because I'm doing civil work, they made me do a drug test, which is no problem for me. So keep that in mind if you want to do civil stuff. Normal construction jobs, I don't think they care so much. Yeah, it was really, really easy. I was on a bunch of Facebook boards and a bunch of job websites, so I just sent out a ton of emails, a ton of resumes, and just wait until something happened. Jackie had 3 job interviews this week, so hopefully one of those lands. She did the same thing, but she went for hospitality or retail instead. Finding a job is really not too difficult. It's just this like interim middle part, because we're living out of the van. So we live at a campsite. We pay like 20 bucks a night for the 2 of us to stay at this campsite. There's nothing there. There's a bathroom there with running water, and that's about it. And the water isn't even potable. So it's good enough to like maybe wash your dishes and brush your teeth and that sort of thing, but that's about it. And we're strained for cash, so we have gas, we have food, and we have a place to stay, but even those are we're scraping by. So it's nice to start working. I'm glad I started working. Whenever I get paid, we're gonna probably stay in some hostels first, and then once I have enough money saved up, we're gonna get a place to stay, place to live. We've already been on Facebook groups looking at rooms to rent around here, and it's gonna be around $300 for the 2 of us to rent a room. And they're pretty nice rooms around here. Like, this is a beautiful area. It's one of my favorite in the country, so I'm excited to just kind of post up for a couple of months and do a little exploring. I don't know, there's a lot to do, a lot going on. And at the same time, nothing going on. We spent the day at the library today. One, because they have free internet, kind of, for like an hour. You get free internet every day. And more importantly, they have electricity. Our van does not have solar. We do not have a spare battery. And we cannot afford the gas to keep the van running to charge our electronics. So we spent a couple hours, charged up our portable batteries and iPads and cell phones and cameras, and so that was nice. We do pay taxes here as employees in New Zealand, so we appreciate places like the library, kind of help us out in between finding a place to live and all that. What else? We've been taking showers at the rec center. There's a rec center just on the outskirts of town. It's $7.50, which is more than most showers, but it's unlimited hot water, which is nice, and it's big. There's no one in there ever, really, and it's a nice facility. It's right next to the grocery store too, so we go take a shower, especially like after construction work, go over there and then run over to the grocery store and get something to eat for dinner, and it all works out really nicely. All right guys, thank you again for watching another episode of Declination. I hope you enjoyed it. This series has been so much fun to make, and I'm really excited to keep it going. I still have another, honestly, 4.5, 5 years to go. So I hope the videos are going to get better every year. And I love you guys. I appreciate all the support you've been giving me, all of the critiques, everything. If you see anything that I can improve, leave a comment. If I don't improve it, then I'm sorry. But if I do improve it, it's because of you and your help and the people that have left those comments. I know who you are, and I really appreciate that. So thank you again. I love you guys. Goodbye. I'm out. Again, goodbye.